Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, we are going to review Adscook. It's a new lifetime deal on Appsumo and it's a comprehensive automation and analytics for Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns. In one word, you can say it's a automation tool for your Facebook ads journey. And as you can see, it's claiming that it's an alternative of Smartly.io and Revealbot, and it's best for marketing and e-commerce pros who need a user-friendly ads management tool with robust functionality. So, Adscook is a Facebook and Instagram ads management platform that lets you launch and scale campaigns across multiple accounts with customizable monitoring tools. So, you can automate your Facebook ads and Instagram ads journey using this amazing tool. And if you see their pricing plan on this lifetime deal, then you will see that they are offering three license tier, and their license tier vary according to the spending limit. On license tier 1, you can spend up to $15,000 per month on ad spend, and in license tier 3 you can spend up to $100K per month. So these are the difference between these license tiers. So according to your monthly budget and monthly need, you can get any one of this tier, and the pricing of this lifetime deal starts from 79 USD. You can get at least 10% discount. Just go to the description of this video and get the lifetime deal of Adscook with 10% discount. Now without further doing, let's get started and let's see what have inside the dashboard of Adscook. This is the dashboard of Adscook. As you can see here, you can see the summary of your ad accounts. Here you can see the impressions, your spends, your clicks, and also your CTR. These all things you can see from here. From here you can see the percentage of your click. You can see the link click, view content, add to cart, purchase. These things you can see, and from here you can see the individual statistics of your specific campaign, ad set, and ad. So these are the things guys. As this account is completely new, that's why it's not showing anything. But in your case, whenever you will add your ad account with this Adscook, then you can see all your data here. And to add your new ad account, just click on your name from the bottom left corner, and from here click on add accounts, and here you can add as many ad account you want to add. As you can see, this is one of the ad account that I have added here, and from here you can see all the things. You can enable or disable these ad accounts from here, and you can add here as many ad account you want. From here you can see the Facebook user and your spending limit. And if I go to the dashboard, from here you can see your ad accounts, you can see your Facebook pages, and you can also see your Instagram accounts if you have any Instagram accounts. And from here you can filter the campaigns, your ad set name, your ad name, campaign ID, ad set ID, and these all things you can filter from here. And you can see the statistics of your ad accounts according to your days, suppose last 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. These are the things, and you can also compare the statistics. So these are the things guys. I'm not doing anything, but I want to show you the audience section now. In this audience section, you can create your custom audience. Suppose you want to create a new audience, so click on new audience, and here insert the things that you want to keep on your audience section. Suppose you want to target on United States or maybe on California, just search here. You will get all the things. See, there have all the suggestions. You can select anyone from here. So these are the things guys, and you can also A/B test these all things, and in every section you can A/B test. This is a cool feature of Adscook. As far as I know, that Facebook will allow you to A/B test only one component or only one content. That means you can A/B test only your location, or you can A/B test only your ad set, or you can A/B test only your headings. So the Adscook will allow you to A/B test all the sections. Suppose you want to A/B test the location, so you can A/B test the location. Similarly, you can A/B test your language, you can A/B test the age, you can A/B test the gender, you can A/B test here, suppose custom audience. So these are the things guys. You can A/B test all the things using this Adscook. This is a cool feature here. From here you can exclude your location, you can include your location, you can add here languages. Suppose I will add this too, and you can A/B test um, this language section also from here. Suppose this one, or maybe this one, anything can be. So these are the A/B test feature, and these are the age feature. Here also I have enabled A/B testing, so you can A/B test all these things. And now the part is targeting, and here in this targeting section you can also A/B test this thing. But I'm not A/B testing here, but I will show you the targeting feature. Suppose you want to um, target the people who are maybe interested in hiking. So just search here hiking. I hope you will get something suggestion. So see, these are the suggestions, hiking trails, and they will suggest you after that according to your interest or according to your first selection. Suppose I'm selecting this one, so you can select this one and you can narrow it from here. I'm not doing the narrow thing, and you can exclude it here. And there have detailed targeting expansion, so you can expand it. So these are the things, guys. After that, you can also control your placement. There have automatic placement and there have manual placement. So if I select here manual placement, from here you can select your placement and you can control all of the things from here. They also provide the device feature, so you can select on which device, on which ad network, or on which placement you want to show your ad. So these are the mobile things and these are the desktop thing. So these are the things, guys. Here in the advanced option you can also control the operating system. Suppose all iOS, Android, all the things you can control from here. See, iPad, iPhone, iPods, all things you can control from here where you want to show your ads. And you can exclude any device from here. See, you can exclude these things, and they are exclude publishers for audience network or Instagram video. So you can exclude specific types of videos. Suppose you want to exclude dating videos, or you want to exclude the gaming videos or gaming type contents from Facebook. That means suppose you do not want to show your ads on these gaming videos or on this dating type contents or this mature audience, so you can exclude these things if you want. And then the last but not least is you can tag this audience. Suppose this audience is targeting hikers, I will give a tag here named hike. So in this way you can find your audiences so quickly whenever you need. After that you can save this audience here so that you can get this audience after someday whenever you need. So you don't have to create your audience every time. You can create your audience only one time, then you can save it. Also you can copy or you can save the preset from here. See, in every section there have preset saving section, so you can save these presets and you can save the complete audience from here just by clicking here audience. So these are the things, guys. See, this is the things you can edit this thing now. So these are the things on this audience section. You can create your audience in this way. After that we have this ad sets option. In this ad sets option, similar to this audience section, you can create your ads assets here, and then you can keep saved these ad assets for your further use. So we will create a new ad asset. Suppose to create your new ad asset, just click on new ad asset. From here you can select your Facebook pages, on which page or from which page you want to show your this ad asset. And you can also select your Instagram account here. You can select your ad type. Suppose you want to show video ad or photo ad, carousel ad, lead gen ad. These are the things. And there have app ads. I don't know why app ads is not available. Maybe I haven't add any app on this account, that's why maybe it's not available, or maybe it will come soon. I don't know, I'm not sure about that, but I hope in near future you can also use this app ads feature. Anyway, we will select here photo, and from here you can get your photos from Google Drive, or you can add your photo from your desktop. Suppose I will add a photo here. So this is a dummy photo, guys. I'm doing this only for test purpose. Suppose I'm adding this one. See, here you will see the preview. See, this is the preview, and here you can add your add text, and here you can also add variants. See, suppose I will add another image here. To add, just click on add variants and then add your image. or add your content. You can add here photos, videos, carousel, lead gen, these all things. See, you can add here more variants, and you can also customize your image. To customize, just click on customize. From here you can drag and drop these things, which part you want to show. This is square, and this is portrait, and this is landscape. So you can select what you want. You can change it, you can apply. So after editing, just click on apply. So these are the things, guys. After that, there have add text. Suppose I will add a text. Suppose, so I have added a text. See, you will see the preview here. See, this is the preview. This is add text. Suppose I will add a long text here. I am copying this long text from this lifetime deal page. Suppose this one. See, it's showing the preview here. So this is the preview, as you can see. After that, you can add here variant also. There have call to action button. Suppose I will give here shop now, and here you have to give your website URL. Suppose I will give passivern.com. So now you will see the preview here. See, there have shop now button, and there have the website URL. You can add here variants also, and similarly you can give here tag. Suppose I will give this one, or you can add here new one if you want. After that, you can now save this add asset. That means you can use this add asset multiple times, and from here you can see, you can also see the previews. Suppose this preview is for Facebook newsfeed. Suppose you want to show the preview for Facebook marketplace, so just select here Facebook marketplace, and if it is available, then you can see this preview. So these are the things, guys, on this preview section. Now you can save it, and you can use this add asset whenever you want or whenever you need further. So it's saving, guys. See, the ad has been saved. You can duplicate it now. You can copy it to another account. You can delete it from here. So these are the things, guys, on this ad asset section. And the most coolest section or most juiciest section is automation. You can do these automation things on this Adscook platform that you cannot do on your Facebook ad account directly. Suppose you want to add any rule to your ad account, or you want to add any rule to your ads copy, just click on here new rule, and from here you will get some pre-built rules. These all things are rule, but suppose you want to build your own rule. So to build your own rule, just click on from a scratch, and then here you can give your rule name. Suppose I'm giving a name here, maybe it's specific rule, and here you can applies to. So you can apply this rule to your campaign. Suppose if you create here any campaign, then you can select these campaigns here. So you can select on which specific campaign these rules will be applicable. So you can add rules to your campaign level, or to your ad set level, or to your ad level. But suppose I will add this rule on this campaign level. Now what the action you want to take? Suppose the action is pause the ad, or start the ad, or delete the ad, or increase the budget of your ad, or decrease the budget, or set the budget. Suppose I want to increase the budget. Now when I want to increase the budget, and how much budget I want to increase? Suppose I want to increase 4%, or maybe 30%. Suppose if the ad do well, then I want to increase my budget 30%, and here you can set the until. Suppose until $200 I want to increase the budget up to 30%, and here have the time period condition. So you can add here once a lifetime, once a day, once in 2 days. Suppose I will set here once a day, and here budget type you can set up daily or lifetime. Suppose daily. After that, you can add more action here. Suppose I want to decrease budget, and it may be 20%. and until $200, and when I want to, maybe once a day, and budget type daily. So in this way you can set the task from here, you can duplicate this task from here. After that there have conditions. Now when you want to do these things, you want to do these things, suppose the impression and today or yesterday, last 3 days, you can set up anything. Suppose the impression yesterday is not equal, maybe suppose you will set 500. So if you do not get 500 impression yesterday, and you can add here as many condition as you want. There have and condition, and there also have or condition. See, this is the or condition. So you can add here and condition or condition, as many condition as you want. So these things you can do, you can set up rules, so you do not have to check your ads, or you do not have to check out your ad accounts every single hours or every single day, that what is happening here and how your money is going to the Mark Zuckerberg's account. So these all things you can automate from the dashboard of Adscook. That is not possible from the dashboard of Facebook's official ad account. These are the things, guys, and from here you can schedule it. See, you can schedule these things, and from here you can select any time you want. Suppose these are the times when you want to apply these rules. So these are the things, guys. You can add the time zones of your ad accounts. See, these are the time zones, and after that just click on save. So these things have been saved, guys. So this is the automation section. As you can see, you can on or off the automation from here. You can assign it to your any campaign. After that there have these three button, and there you can duplicate it, you can copy to other accounts, you can see the automation log from here, and you can also unassign it from all. There have the edit option and there have the delete option. This automation is very unique thing of Adscook, guys. I haven't seen this automation thing anywhere before. So these are the things, guys, on Adscook. The dashboard is very simple. There have only four option, but this automation option is very unique, and it will decrease your hassle for Facebook ads. And after that there have profile option, billing and payment option, upgrade plan option. Here on this profile option you can change here your name, email, and you can give your company address here. So these are the things, guys. It's very simple, very easy to set up. And if you think you really need this tool, so you can get this lifetime deal from Appsumo. As you can see, this is the lifetime deal they're offering on Appsumo. The pricing is 79 USD for lifetime, and you can get any plan you want. If you need this tool, just go to the description of this video and click on the link, and it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please use this link to purchase this amazing video, and visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business, and join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group. I'll give the link of this VIP lifetime deal discussion group on the description of this video. So just click on the link and join here if you wish to join. These are the things, guys, you will get on Adscook, and these are the full review. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think you really need this tool, then you can get this lifetime deal from here. Thanks again.